Bullish Ethereum cost forecast goes from $1,070 to $2,900. The investigator anticipated ETH to hit $2,500, and the symbolic crosses the way as anticipated. The ETH negative market cost expectation for 2023 is $973. Ethereum blockchain has stayed applicable after it entered the crypto and blockchain space. The local badge of the Ethereum blockchain is called Ether, signified with ETH. It involves the set programming language to guarantee that exercises in its organization are proficient and gotten. It upholds the improvement of decentralized applications. In the beyond 30 days, Ethereum has acquired 44%, as per CoinGecko information. Ethereum financial backers are bullish on the coin since it has had a profit from speculation of multiple times in the beyond 7 years. The new crypto winter in the primary portion of 2022 prompted a dunk in the cost of ETH after it achieved a record-breaking high cost of $4,891.90 in November 2021. Notwithstanding, Ethereum whales trust in the venture stays bullish with late turns of event. Assuming you are keen on the fate of Ethereum and need to know the value examination and value expectation of ETH for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, up to 2030, continue to watch this video. What is Ethereum? Ethereum was sent off in July 2015 by Prime supporters Vitalik Buterin, Gavin Wood, Charles Hoskinson, and others. Financial backers can do exchanges inside the blockchain by paying charges with the Ether used to remunerate Ethereum diggers for keeping the blockchain dynamic. The quantity of exchanges each second inside the Ethereum blockchain is 30. Ethereum engineers are focused on guaranteeing that Ethereum 2.0 is delivered soon. This will settle the versatility challenge in the Ethereum blockchain. When Ethereum 2.0 is delivered, the exchange each subsequent will be more than 10,000. The send-off of the Ethereum blockchain has empowered makers to acquire on the web and engages clients to communicate with more than 1,000 decentralized applications created on the Ethereum blockchain. Engineers can likewise expand on the blockchain, while clients can send and get ETH from anybody around the world. The decentralized idea of the Ethereum blockchain has empowered its clients to make accounts without being controlled to send, get, acquire, loan, or stream assets from any place there is a web association. There are more than 200 million exceptional Ethereum addresses as of now. Ethereum current market status: the complete Ethereum supply is boundless, while the circling supply is 120,457,776 ETH coins. At the hour of composing, ETH is exchanging for $1,921.63, addressing a 24-hour increment of 3.45%. The exchanging volume of Ethereum the beyond 24 hours is $9,340,247,636, addressing a 43.27% expansion. Some top digital currency trades for exchanging Ethereum are Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Gate.io, Kraken, Bitfinex, Gemini, and others. Since it is now so obvious what Ethereum is and its ongoing business sector status, we will examine the value investigation of Ethereum for 2023. Ethereum Value Examination 2023. Right now, ETH is positioned in the second situation on CoinMarketCap. Will improvements and redesigns inside the Ethereum blockchain lead to an ascent in the cost of Ethereum? We will see this in this Cost Examination 2023 video. Ethereum Value Investigation. Keltner Channel. The Keltner Channel is a specialized pointer presented by American grain broker Chester W. Keltner to check the instability of the market. For this reason, it has three groups: the upper band, center band, and lower band. The upper band is determined by adding 2 times the normal genuine reach to the EMA, while the lower band is determined by taking away 2 times the ATR from the EMA. The outline above shows a red square shape that means the extension and withdrawal of the Keltner channels. At the point when the groups extend, it intends that there will be greater unpredictability. Or on the other hand, at the end of the day, the costs could definitely drop or increment. Moreover, when the cost of a digital currency persistently contacts the upper or lower band and from there on contacts the contrary band, which is, say, a cryptographic money constantly contacts the upper band, lastly contacts the lower band, then we could discover that the bullish pattern has blurred. This applies the other way around also. This conduct should have been visible inside the dim square shape. Presently, ETH is trying the upper band. Since ETH has been trying the upper band for a long while, we could anticipate that the pattern should switch from now on. There is additionally the chance of ETH changing into the last part of the Keltner channel. In any case, since the Keltner channels are named upwards, we could anticipate that the cost should increment further. Ethereum Value Investigation. Bollinger Groups. The Bollinger Groups are a sort of cost envelope created by John Bollinger. It gives a reach with an upper and lower limit at the cost to vary. The Bollinger Groups work on the rule of standard deviation and period. Additionally, the upper band as displayed in the graph is determined by adding twice the standard deviation to the straightforward moving normal, while the lower band is determined by deducting twice the standard deviation from the basic moving normal. The observational regulation, otherwise called the 3 sigma rule or the 689599.7 decide, states that practically completely noticed information for a typical circulation will fall inside 3 standard deviations. As such, for the typical appropriation informational collection, 68% of information will fall inside 1 standard deviation of the mean, while 95% of information for the ordinary conveyance will fall inside 2 standard deviations of the mean, and 99.7% of information will fall inside 3 standard deviations of the mean. Subsequently, when this is applied to the cost of ETH, we could anticipate that the coin should withstand inside the Bollinger Groups 95% of the time. Also, the segments featured by red square shapes show how the groups grow and contract. At the point when the groups augment, we could anticipate greater instability, and when the groups contract, it indicates less unpredictability. As of now, the groups are growing. Consequently, ETH could be anticipating a significant vacillation in costs. Also, ETH has contacted the upper Bollinger Band. As such, we can say that the token is overbought. It implies that many are purchasing the coin and subsequently the costs have expanded. As such, the market could address the costs, and the costs might diminish from here on out. Hawkers and informal investors ought to be watching out to enter the market just under the wire to take full advantage of the open door. Ethereum Value Expectation 2023. While considering the graph above, we can see that ETH has been exchanging a rising wedge. In fact, as by the books, ETH is bound to diminish than to increment in cost. Since July 2022, we could that ETH was fluctuating between Help 3 at around $970 and its ongoing cost at around $1,900. In the event that ETH will build, it could test Opposition 1 at $2,420 first, and on the off chance that the bulls are still in charge, it could tear open Obstruction 1 and flood to Obstruction 2 at $2,900. In the occasion that ETH experiences obstruction at Opposition 1 and follows prior to flooding as shown by the yellow line, then, at that point, it would introduce a phenomenal section point for those hoping to take a long position. Be that as it may, on the off chance that ETH is overwhelmed by the bears, it might look for help from Help 1 at $1,520. In the event that Help 1 doesn't hold the bears, then, at that point, ETH might tank to Help 2 at $1,250, and in the event that Help 2 is likewise penetrated, ETH would contact Backing 3 at $975 for help. Quite, as ETH has 50+% cost activity. One way or the other, dealers ought to hope to take advantage of on the chance. Ethereum Value Forecast 2024. The Bitcoin supply will be sliced down the middle by 2024. Thusly, we ought to expect an ideal market pattern because of client opinion and financial backers longing to procure a greater amount of the coin. Because of the effect of Bitcoin's cost swings on the worth of other digital forms of